Welcome back, folks. Are you ready to talk about some life-changing investment opportunities? Today, we're diving into stocks that have decades of growth ahead. That's right, not just the next few months or years, but investments with runways measured in decades. But wait, before we get into the specifics, we need to talk about something crucial: how to not mess this up. Because let's be honest, too many people squander incredible investment opportunities by not taking the right steps. I am going to show you how to avoid that today. Stick with me, and you'll walk away with the tools you need to execute flawlessly. All I ask in return? Hit that like button and subscribe if you are new here. I couldn't be more thankful for this amazing community. Let's grow together. Now, let's get started. This is my public account. Over the past 6 to 7 years, I've grown it to over $3 million. Just yesterday, it gained $31,000 on a 1% move. That's more than I used to make in an entire year at my old job. 15 years ago, I was working at Walgreens for $8.25 an hour. Back then, a 1% move in this portfolio would have taken me over 3,800 hours of work to earn. That's real perspective for you. And it's why taking investing seriously can literally change your life. Moral of the story: don't put off investing. Whether it's $100, $500, or $5,000, get started now. The earlier you plant that seed, the sooner it can grow into a massive financial tree. Let's start with AMD. This company has transformed from a struggling underdog to one of the most respected semiconductor firms in the world, thanks to Lisa Su and her incredible leadership. Back in 2014, AMD's stock was under $2, and people thought the company was going bankrupt. Fast forward to today, and it's a powerhouse in AI, data centers, and gaming. Why AMD? 1. AI inference market leadership. Lisa Su believes inference using AI models will be a much larger market than training. AMD is well positioned to dominate this space. 2. Key acquisitions. AMD's recent purchases of ZT Systems and Silo AI are setting the company up for massive growth in AI solutions and software capabilities. 3. Revenue potential. Analysts expect AMD's revenues and earnings to skyrocket over the next decade, with projections for $275 to $475 per share by 2028. Think long-term here. This isn't about quick profits. It's about positioning yourself for decades of growth. Next up, we have SoFi Technologies. This is not just a bank. It's a one-stop shop for everything from personal loans to investing. And it's led by the incredible Anthony Noto, a former Goldman Sachs managing director and NFL CFO. Why SoFi? 1. Digital-first banking. SoFi is revolutionizing banking by being app-focused. No physical branches mean lower overhead and a more streamlined experience for users. 2. Galileo platform. SoFi's back-end technology powers major fintech players like H&R Block and Toast, creating a reliable revenue stream. 3. Profitability flip. SoFi has already turned profitable, which is a massive milestone. The question now is, how profitable will they get? I see SoFi as the Netflix of finance, a digital-first, scalable, and poised to dominate for years to come. The earlier you get in, the better. The Cheesecake Factory. Wait, a restaurant stock? Hear me out. The Cheesecake Factory is far more than just delicious cheesecake. Why Cheesecake Factory? 1. Acquisition of Fox Restaurant Concepts. This includes hit brands like North Italia and Flower Child, which have the potential to expand nationwide. 2. Long-term growth. These brands are growing rapidly, and they're testing new concepts like Culinary Dropout that could become the next big thing. 3. Undervalued potential. At a $2 billion market cap, this stock is flying under the radar. With decades of growth ahead, I believe it could become a restaurant industry giant. I am buying every share I can get my hands on. This company is building a portfolio of brands that will dominate for decades. Final thoughts. There you have it, folks. 3 incredible stocks with decades of growth ahead: AMD, SoFi, and the Cheesecake Factory. These companies are poised to deliver long-term returns if you invest wisely and stay patient. Key takeaway: the best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is now. Don't keep putting it off. Whether it's $100 or $10,000, start building your future today. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Learn everything you can from income statements to cash flow and take this journey seriously. I am here to guide you every step of the way. If you found value in this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. And if you are ready to take your investing knowledge to the next level, check out my private group in the pinned comment below. Let's make 2025 the year you transform your financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay invested and stay awesome.